Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota Camry maintenance light full guide. Turn the ignition to the accessory position without starting the engine and keep your foot off the brake. Press and hold the odometer or trip reset button until the display blinks or changes. Release the button and cycle the ignition to confirm the maintenance light has reset. Follow the model-specific steps that come next for a complete reset. Most Camry models share similar steps, but differ slightly by ignition type. With the display showing total miles or trip A, press and hold the odometer button until the maintenance light or percentage display starts to blink. Release briefly, then press and hold again until the display resets to 100% or the light turns off. If the light persists, repeat the sequence and double-check you reach the correct display mode first. If resetting fails, stay calm and methodical while you retry the sequence. Verify the display reads the full odometer or trip before holding the button, and use firm pressure when pressing. Electronic quirks can require 2 or 3 attempts, so be patient. If the maintenance light still will not clear, check your owner manual for your exact Camry year and model, or contact a dealer to rule out sensor or software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.